welcome to my video. Right, so today I want to talk about Tesla again. Right, so if you have been following me, right, you have seen that I've done a Tesla a short. Right, so this was updated on the 5th of September. Right, I believe the original was on the 26th of August, where I talk about it going down. Right, and then 28th August trade was active, and then I talk about the my style of trading, right? And then 6 days ago, um which is on the 5th of September, I talk about closing out the trade, right? So 5th of September will be yeah, I believe it was around this price. Just take it as around 338, right? 339. Right, because I expect the whole market to move up, right, coming towards the September FOMC, right. And the reason is because the 3 months treasury yield has fallen to um a 4%, right. So that means that the September FOMC is going to have a basis points cut, right. Okay, so now back to Tesla. Okay, since we have closed out this trade on the 5th of September, currently I see that there is another chance for a short for Tesla, right? So if you look at these arrows over here that I placed, right? So I'm not sure what's the significance of this price, which is around 368, right? But the last time this was an important enough price that it was rejected down, and before that, on the 19th of February, right, a corrective up was also being pushed down here. Okay. Now over here, we do have price reaching this price again, right? So as of uh, this timing that we are talking about, the high is 366.66. Right. Looks like a magical number, right? I would say that this is another place where I will venture another shot. Okay, so let me just be a bit more precise. At this point where we're talking about this. Now, where would I put the stop loss? I should say that give it a little bit of space, right? So 368 or 367.51 is kind of the ideal place to initiate the shot, right? But I think this price is now good enough, right? So I would say that the stop loss, right, is above this 367 point, is it 63? 367.72. Okay, so let's do a round number. 368. Right, 368 will be our stop loss. Now how do I, yeah, 368. What about the take profit? As I mentioned my previous analysis, I do expect the price to go down all the way, but let's be more conservative, right, at this point in time. So maybe we'll choose this where I start this wave, right? So this is 298. Now, of course, there is a short-term profit target, which is this point, right? That is around 344, right? You just say 344. So if you initiate the short here, there's about $20 of potential, and if you hold on all the way, we're talking about near to $70 kind of potential over here for this trade. Okay, so that's it for this Tesla idea, right? Stop loss, which is the most important thing, is 368. Ideal price to enter will be 367 point around 72, right? This is the previous high. But I'm not those kind of person who wait for a perfect entry, so I will just enter at this point in time. Okay, and my ultimate target is this 298. Okay, so that's it for now, and good luck in your trading. Thank you.